Yes, I absorb, and especially I really like that we come and, for example, like teacher from BMC can have a little session with Rebeka because I see, but I will see also for first time the timing and to try to connect with her and how. This is from first moment if I see until now on through online session also. To this is for me really interesting how is going, how this connection coming, how listen her really precisely. This is absolutely amazing for me. And we also try don't do much with Rebeka. We want to just do it this like our BMC and what is really connect with this. So we try now I think third year do it just this, and it's slowly but we see some progress.
Also, this is what we talk about. Like, if there's a habit of she wants to do it maybe in the same rhythm and the same way, and to change the length, the rhythm. I think that's what you know very well.
I would like to try to, I mean, because she showed us this very beautiful hand to mouth, how to bring it more into a larger way.
People around us see the progress. So we feel it, Katarina, also that it's for her, really for her something. Also, we see around us families with special needs and parents wants to really help the kids. So going to this therapy, and are in some circle, and it's I think a little bit rushing. There is not time for a little bit stopped to absorb to see, and but especially also this the parents connect with the kids. This is something also with connect with BMC also, and with this session what we find it here. It's absolutely about this that through touch we can like really feel what she needs and what she want. We speaking like through the touch with her. Or through arms. I really try like playing like with these and through fingers to start to where we go, what she needs, and we go somewhere and we play and she is she see through the ear. She see through the ear.